Claude Code for Beginners, your first week building with AI. You've heard the buzz. People with zero coding experience are building apps, automating workflows, and shipping real software, all with AI. Claude Code is one of the biggest reasons why. So what is Claude Code? It's Anthropic's agentic coding tool. Unlike traditional code assistants that suggest one line at a time, Claude Code works more like a senior developer sitting next to you. You describe what you want in plain English, and it reads your entire project, plans the approach, edits multiple files, and even runs commands, all while respecting your coding standards. Claude Code launched in February 2025 and hit $1 billion in annualized revenue by November of that year. It's available in your terminal, VS Code, JetBrains, a desktop app, and directly in your browser. Now here's what you actually need to get started, and it's less than you think. A computer, a terminal, which is already on your machine, and a Claude subscription starting at $20 a month. That's it. No coding experience required, no CS degree. Installation takes about 5 minutes. The most important concept for beginners is this: think in tasks, not code. Don't try to write code and ask Claude to fix it. Instead, describe what you want to accomplish. You're the architect. Claude is the builder. For example, instead of saying, write a function called getData that uses fetch, say, I need to display a list of users from our API in a table. See the difference? The good prompt describes the outcome. Claude handles the implementation. Let's walk through your first project. Open your terminal, create a new folder, navigate into it, and type Claude. You're in. Now tell it to create a personal landing page with your name, bio, and social links. Claude creates the files, shows you the proposed changes, and asks for approval. Open the result in your browser. You just built a website without writing a single line of code. For Lesson 2, we tackle existing code bases. Navigate into any project and ask Claude, what does this project do? It analyzes the files and gives you a clear summary. You can then make changes that fit the existing style, like adding a dark mode toggle or a new feature. Lesson 3 is about debugging. When something breaks, paste the error message into Claude Code. Say, fix this error. Claude reads the stack trace, finds the root cause, and proposes a fix. You can even tell it to write tests, run them, and fix any failures, all in one prompt. Lesson 4 covers memory and multi-file projects. Claude.md is a markdown file you put in your project root that Claude reads every session. It contains your coding standards, architecture decisions, and common commands. Claude also has automatic memory that saves useful patterns across sessions. Now let's talk about common mistakes. Don't ask for too much at once. Break projects into features. Use the /clear command between tasks to reset context. Don't be too specific about implementation details. Always create a Claude.md file, and never blindly accept changes. Review them, especially when you're learning. For safety, always review commands that involve deletions, database changes, package installations, or git force pushes. If you don't understand what a command does, ask Claude to explain it. There's never a reason to rush. After completing these lessons, keep building. Start with personal tools like an expense tracker or bookmark manager. Move on to automation scripts, then tackle full-stack applications. Every expert was once a beginner. You now have the most powerful coding assistant ever created in your terminal. The only question is, what will you build first? For the full guide with code examples and detailed walkthroughs, visit thinksmart.life/research. This is ThinkSmart Life, research and guides for builders.